Hi friends, I'm Joji into my YouTube channel Joji Talks. Today I'm in front of you to talk about another subject which is confidence building. You might have heard or you might have seen lot many videos from the YouTube and you might have heard lot many trainers talking about building confidence. Let me have my own version regarding building confidence from my own experience. See, the first thing, always wherever we go, we have a thing called first impression is the best impression. It's true. If you are able to create an impression, and that impression will definitely create a good impression in the person whom you are being seen. Now, today, I need to have another version regarding the same. First one is you make yourself sure that you are the best. Start saying that I am the best. When you start saying that you are the best, you have to be the best. How can you be the best? By doing the best things, by delivering the best, and making sure that you are giving the best effort in everything. Now, how do we do that? A student who is studying in the 10th class, let it be any class, might be getting maybe around 30 marks out of 50 or 20 marks on 50. And how can you say that I am the best? There starts the difference. When you start saying that I am the best, you should make sure that you are the best. For that, you will start preparing yourself to become the best. You have to prepare yourself to be the best. You are already saying, when you start to do something, you say that I am the best. Definitely, you will have to put in all your effort to make it the best. Slowly and slowly, that becomes a habit. When you start doing something, you say that I am the best. When you go out for something, you say that you are the best. When you start selecting something, you say that you are the best. All these things will slowly and slowly become a habit, and you start becoming the best. When you are the best, the confidence is automatically there. You need not go into any YouTube channel or nothing you need to see. Automatically, that confidence is there. That's the first thing. Start saying that I am the best. And write in a small piece of paper, you write and keep it in your room. When you get up from your bed in the morning, let you see that I'm the best. When you go to sleep in the night, see that and sleep. I'm the best. You will be the best, and that will give you the confidence. Second part. Another thing which I want to say is your body language. Your body is having a particular language. All bodies, everyone. The language in your body, when I am seeing you, you are standing in front of me for an interview, you are sitting in front of me for an interview. While seeing you in front of me and looking onto your body, I can see whether you are frustrated, I can understand whether you are having confidence, I can understand whether you are prepared, the way you move your hands, the way you are moving your body, all those things will say that whether you are confident or not. That body language is a particular topic which I'll bring into you later. How you can bring the confidence into the others, and that should be reflecting from your body. That I'll come to you with another topic. One more thing is there, which is very important. Having a small smile on your face always, that brings in a little more confidence. A small smile, always a pleasant smile. Now you are always wearing a mask. You don't know whether you're smiling or not. At least when you're lifting the mask, let that smile be there. A person might be having some heavy frustration, but then the other person seeing you when they say you with a smiling face, they will have little pleasure in that. Their frustration decreases. Let that be another thing. And another one more thing is there. Whenever you talk to a person, use eye to eye contact. Always look on the face, look on the eyes and talk. Don't waver your eyes that side and this side. Wavering your eyes will take away the confidence. If you are confident enough, you will be looking onto the eyes and talking. If you don't have that confidence, you will have to go that side and this side. Don't do that. That again brings in confidence, and the person who is seeing you will understand that you are confident enough. Okay, these are some few tips. Only I have told some 3-4 things because time is very little, and you will not be wasting your time to see my channel. And I want to say that go through these few tips. Again, the second part, as I have told in the previous thing, time management. I told I'll come with the second part. It is there. Same thing. Building confidence. This is not over. You have a lot many things to understand from this, and maybe in the within a few days, I'll come with the next part regarding building confidence. Thank you. And before going, let me tell you, please see this, like it, share it, and put your comments. I need your comments so that I can improve myself. And please make sure that you are subscribing it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.